learn these 2-digit addition. Okay. One 2-digit addition is without carry and another one is with carry. Okay. Let's start. Number 94 and 12. So, when you find out 2-digit numbers, then we are going to start adding from ones place. Where is the ones place? Here is the ones place. This is the tens and ones place. 9 is in tens place and 4 is in ones place. Okay. And here 1 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. Okay. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 4. You have to keep in your mind and count 2. 5, 6. We are going to write here 6. Now here 9 plus 1. So what we are going to do? After 9 you are going to count 1. Okay. 1 means next number. 9 plus 1 is 100. Okay. 4 plus 2 is 6. So the result is 106. You are going to write like this. Now the second one, 4 plus 2. Again we get 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 5. How many fingers do you have? In one hand you have 5 fingers and another hand you have 5 fingers. So in both hands you are having 10 fingers. Very good. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So here also answer is 106. Okay. This is without carry. Okay. The third one. In ones place 9. Here down also there is 9. So you are going to count 9 plus 9. Okay. Show me your 9 fingers. How can you find 9 in your fingers? In one hand you are having 5 fingers. In another hand you are going to add. Yes. 6, 7, 8, 9. You are going to add 4 fingers. Yes. So count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Am I correct? Yes. But here there is a twist. We got 18, but we are going to write here not 18. We are going to divide it in tens and ones place. We are going to place like this. Then only ones place friend will go to ones place here. So 8 will go to here and 1 you are going to carry. So this is tens place friend. Already there is 9. You are going to carry 1 from here. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Another 1 is there. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay. So what is the result? 118. Okay. Now we will do another addition. Okay. This one. So here in ones place, what are the numbers? 8 and 9. Which one is more? 9 or 8? 9 is more. So you are going to keep in your mind the larger one to count less. Okay. 9 in your mind and count 8. Show me your 8 fingers. Okay. In your one hand there are 5 fingers. In another hand you are going to add 3 more fingers because after 5, 6, 7, 8 you need 3 fingers. Okay. Now count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So you got 17. Now you are going to place ones place friend under ones place and 1 you are going to carry. Yes. Then what to do? 8 plus 1 is, what is the after number of 8? 9. And 9 plus 4 is, once again you are going to take 9 in your mind and count 4. So in one hand you are having 5 fingers, 1 finger less. So there are 4 fingers. Count after 9. 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay. So we are going to write like this because it's a 3-digit number and these are 2-digit numbers. Okay. So this is, we got 137. Okay. So rest of the addition you are going to do it and comment me the answers. Okay. Thank you for watching my little ones. Do like, share and subscribe and please follow our FB page Kidactive Homeschooling.